I just wanted to open some cars. Specifically got to open. Normally I collect them in tubs, but I wanted to add these to my collection. It's a 94 LS 400 and a new Renault Megane. Megane? Yeah. I've never really heard the name pronounced, so we'll just go with that. So these are all newer castings, it looks like. Yeah. They both have 2022 on the back. That doesn't usually mean much, but alright. Excellent. Yeah. So I brought my knife. Alright. Nice little car. It's kind of like a champagne color. It's metallic, nice and silvery. The decals aren't too bad. Fair amount of detail. Kind of weirdly large door handles. But, yeah. It's not bad. Let's see, focus. There we go. You can see it says Lexus on the back. So that's nice. Nice little details. Nice. I like that. Now on to the Megane. Oh, this one has a little clear protector thing in it. So, nice. Alright. This one's been rustling around in the plastic for a while because the roof's a bit scuffed. So I'll have to... Maybe my other one's not that bad. But this actually has a plastic roof with the pillars painted on. It's alright. Here we go. It says Megane and Renault on that plate there. The decals aren't too bad on this either. A little off center. Not too bad. Yeah, I like that. It's a little fun, interesting one. Focus, there we go. Interesting one to add to my open car collection. But yeah, I quite like that. It's not bad. Typical bottom. Here's the grab the LS really fast. There we go. That's all right. It looks vaguely like an LS 400 does. Vaguely. Yeah, not bad. So there you go. Matchbox Lexus LS 400 and a Renault Megane. It's pretty nice. Actually, I'm quite a fan of those gold details. But yeah. There you go. Just a quick opening of some cars. Yeah.